Good evening, it's Matthew here with Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. Sending you a quick shout out, Capital Auto, since you just saw me there on the front of the bumper of the vehicle there. Hey, shout them out when you can. Lift them up, lift them up. I'm Matthew here with Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. Got this lovely vehicle here. In no regard to any relations to Capital Auto, they're just shouting them out. Owner of the vehicle brought it in here for a diagnostics, and we had some emission systems evap leaks, and we found them. And we put the codes last week here off our scanner here. We had 0456 and 0455. 0457. No, we just did not buy the gas cap and put it up there and say, sir, your problem is solved. We said, sir, we need to look further into it. We're going to do a smoke test here that I believe I've actually already done. So now I'm just going to make the video and show y'all what I found. Give me 1 second to set my studio up. Maybe 2 minutes. Alright, let me see here. I hope I don't break this thing. Alright. If it break, I can fix it, right? Hopefully. Alrighty. Let's get this up here. Probably get interrupted in the middle of the video and probably won't be able to finish it or anything like that, but you know. Gotta try. Alright. Alright, put this right here for the time being. Alright. Put this right here. Let's see. Alright. Wish I had more light. Try to create something real quick. I'm actually going to lower the vehicle. I'm going to lower the vehicle and report into one of the evap lines. We pulled the chart out of system theory of operations. You know, we got familiar with what systems to send smoke through and what systems not to send smoke to. Got a little bounce going on here. Alright, gonna go ahead and pour it in here to one of the vent lines. Alright, pour it in there. And go ahead and energize my smoker here. Smoking is bad for you. Don't smoke. Only use smoke when you're trying to find an evap. We're gonna get that smoking real good first. Good old put out here. I don't have my goggles on and gloves because I would really be not moving as smooth as I want to. All right. So here, we don't have much lighting here, but I poured in Right here, I removed the fender liner and the outer flared out fender port in here, which was attached here. The rest I see doesn't really look like it's gonna be an issue, like it's surface. But okay, back here. So came in and what up? Started seeing a little smoke. And then we came up here. We said, hold on. They're hanging out up here. And as I get here with the air coming through the system, I smell a fuel odor. And what it is just here that you can see, it's not connected. I mean, it's completely disconnected. As you can see, they completely failed to connect it properly. It's not like it's a, something broke. It's not even connected. So that's what the issue is on this vehicle. Possibly related to this newly installed transmission unit. But that's what we discovered here. If you have any issues or concerns with any diagnostic related repairs, evaporative smoke testing, check engine light, feel free to reach out to us here at Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, located at 816 South 3rd Street, Smithfield, North Carolina. We'll be glad to solve your automotive concerns. I'm trying to solve this tripod issue right now with my GoPro. But y'all reach out to us, you hear? Matthew Sanders, Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, 816 South 3rd Street, Smithfield, North Carolina, 919-539-7265. Have a great day. Bye-bye.